Want to sideload unlimited apps on your iPhone for free? We are using LiveContainer to bypass Apple's 3 app limit on free developer accounts. No jailbreak needed. Works on iOS 15 through 18. Already got site store? If not, check the site store setup video linked below. Let's dive in. First, let's make sure site store is ready. Connect the WireGuard configuration for site store so everything runs smoothly. Now open Safari and visit the LiveContainer's GitHub release page. Link is in the description below. Download the latest LiveContainer IPA. In Site Store, tap on the plus icon. Select the LiveContainer IPA you just downloaded and install it. Open LiveContainer app. Go to Settings, click on Patch Site Store. It will automatically reinstall Site Store for you. Just wait for the process to finish. Next, tap Jitless Mode Diagnose and test Jitless Mode. If it says success, you are good to go. Let's install another LiveContainer. Go back to Settings, tap on Install another LiveContainer. Click on Continue and select Site Store from the share sheet. Now add unlimited apps. Tap on the plus icon and load any IPA. Emulators, tweaked apps, anything goes. Add apps like YouTube or Spotify to shared section to access them from both containers. Press and hold on any app, tap on settings and click on convert to shared app. Tap on app, hit play and enjoy. Done. You got LiveContainer Sideloading unlimited apps. Like if this helped, then subscribe for more upcoming videos. Happy sideloading.